Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have a bright blue Tesla Model 3 from Hot Wheels. Now they made many colors of the Tesla Model 3 and this is the one that I currently have. It is a pretty nice shiny blue. Very clean, no tampos or graphics to this vehicle. So just painted taillights, but I'll open it up and let you guys take a closer look and a better view of this vehicle out of the package. So here it is out of the package. Now look at the side. So you can see through the clear window and in the seats. The multi-spoke wheel. And then looking at the front, they added detail to the headlights. And then they got the Tesla emblem on the hood. And they painted the, believe that's the parking lights or the turn signals. I forgot which one they are, but it's in black. And then here's the other side. Now, you know, on Teslas, they have a clear glass all the way to the back. Some of them have like a solar panel and other things. I don't remember if any of the Teslas have sunroofs, but I always see them with a, full glass, so it gives you that open air feeling in a Tesla. So you can actually see right through into the interior and see the dash and the steering wheel. And then let's see, looking at the back part, so they added detail to the taillights, which is nice. I like that they paint the taillights and headlights on Hot Wheels because it just adds that extra detail and, definition of a vehicle. Let's see. So let's try to get this focused. You can see the Tesla emblem on there again. On the license plate, it has the Hot Wheels tampo. And it shows the dual motor model for this vehicle. And they painted the reflectors that are on the vehicle red. And let's see what they have on the bottom of this vehicle. Well, since it's an electric vehicle, there is no, much mechanical pieces like an exhaust, things like that. So they kept the bottom of this little Hot Wheels all flat and smooth. So it has a good feel. The body is made out of metal, and this bottom part is plastic, and the wheels are plastic, and this is a clear plastic. So that's the materials that are on this vehicle. So that's how it looks like. Very smooth when it rolls. I like how the wheels spin. It's very shiny and cool. So I believe there's a white one and a maroon color version of this model, Tesla Model 3. So what do you guys think about it? Tell me below in the comments. You like the Tesla? Or do you like this Hot Wheels model version of the Tesla? So do let me know below in the comments. And remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.